We are at 9 Peppercorn Lane in East Granby, Connecticut. I'm Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Let's go inside and meet with Elizabeth Waterhouse from Executive Real Estate and have her show us around. Liz, we're here! You have any cookies for us?
In the oven, about to come out.
Wonderful, fantastic. All right, we are here. This is an awesome location. I love this place. I love the cul-de-sac, the yard. I mean, this is just fantastic. No?
It absolutely is.
All right, why don't you show us around?
Welcome to 9 Peppercorn Lane, a quiet neighborhood nestled in East Granby.
I think what I like most about this place is the dead-end street. We're on a cul-de-sac here. This is just an awesome location.
It is beautiful. There are tons of families here and you should see it at Halloween. 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath, open concept floor plan with a 1-car garage. It has been remodeled with hardwood floors throughout. Large backyard for entertaining. The open kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, perfect for a gourmet cook at heart or family gatherings. It is a little over 1,600 square feet. The basement is unfinished but holds potential. About 10 minutes from airports, minutes away from Cowles Park, which has lovely nature paths and hiking trails, and minutes from shopping. Yet quiet and serene backyard, you can make it your own paradise.
Here's our full bath. Great walk-in closet in the main bedroom here.
The roof was done in 2016 and the septic tank as well.
This is an awesome house, Liz. I absolutely love the location. If you agree and you want more information on this property or want to set up a private showing, reach out to Liz. Her info's on the screen. She's here to help. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. See you next time. This has been your local look. We're out of here.